Now let us see the next universal gate, that is NOR, and these are the things which we are going to cover in regarding or to this NOR gate. The basic function of the NOR gate, how a NOR gate can be used to replace an AND gate, an OR gate, or an inverter gate, how a logic circuit implemented with AOI logic gates could be re-implemented using only NOR gates. Okay, using a single gate type, in this case NOR will reduce the number of ICs required to implement a logic circuit. So here we are going to see the things like the basic implementation of the NOR gate, as well as we are going to see how to replace the basic gates like AND, OR and inverter with the help of NOR gate, and then we are going to see how to implement any kind of circuit only with the NOR gates. Okay, so the same thing, as the number of ICs increases, therefore the cost of the circuit increases, and as the number of ICs decreases, therefore the cost of the circuit will be decreased. Now this is what the symbol for representing the NOR gate, where it is receiving X and Y as inputs. Now the output is Z equals X plus Y whole bar. Okay, if we apply De Morgan's on this particular expression, then we'll get X bar and Y bar. Okay, and this is the truth table of the NOR gate. Now this is how we are going to implement an inverter gate with the help of NOR gate. Okay, this NOR gate is totally having two inputs, but they are tied together and given as one input, that is X. Therefore the output is Z equals X bar. Okay, and this output expression as well as this truth table resembles exactly the NOR gate. Okay, so this is what the symbol used for representing the NOR gate with the help of a NOR gate. Now this is what the implementation of the OR gate with the help of NOR gate. Okay, so NOR is nothing but NOT plus OR. Therefore initially we'll use one NOT symbol here, which is receiving X and Y inputs. Now the output would be X plus Y whole bar. Okay, now this is given as an input to one more NOR gate. Okay, which is acting as a NOT gate. Therefore the output would become X plus Y whole bar, which is nothing but X plus Y. Now this truth table as well as this expression resembles the OR gate. Therefore this is what the symbol used for representing the OR gate with the help of NOR gate. Now let us represent an AND gate with the help of NOR gate. Okay, so I have took two NOR gates. Okay, and the output of these two NOR gates, now these are the symbols of the inverters. Therefore the output would be X bar and Y bar. These are given as an input to one more NOR gate. Now the output is X bar plus Y bar whole bar, which is nothing but, now if you implement De Morgan's theorem here, then you will get XY. Now this truth table as well as this expression resembles the AND gate. Okay, therefore this is what the symbol used for implementing or designing the NOR gate. Okay, and here you can see the equivalence of AND, OR and inverter with the help of NOR gates. Now this is what the alternate symbol which is used for representing the NOR gate, and with inverted inputs. Okay, you will get Z equals X bar, Y bar. Now process for NOR implementation, how to design or realize any kind of Boolean expression only with the help of NOR implementation. Again we have to follow the similar procedure which we have seen for NAND gate. Okay, that is, we have to implement the AOI logic first, and then we have to replace AND, OR and inverter inside that AOI logic with NOR equivalents, redraw the circuit, identify and eliminate the double inversions, and then redraw the final circuit. So this is what the circuit again. Okay, we are taking it as an example. Now here the NOT gate is now replaced with the equivalent NOR gate. Okay, and here these AND gates are replaced with the equivalent NOR implementation, as well as this OR gate is replaced with the equivalent NOR implementation. Now this is what the circuit. Now we have to eliminate the double inversions. So here only we have two double or two inverters, therefore eliminate this, then you will get the expression which is similar to the expression which we got for AOI implementation. You can see here Z equals BC bar plus AC. Now again take a look at the AOI versus NOR gate. Okay, here we require a total of 3 ICs, but here we require a total of 2 ICs. Okay, so these are what the advantages that are associated with the universal gates. If you are going with universal gates, we can reduce the number of gates, the number of ICs. As the number of ICs are reduced, therefore the die size of the circuit or the electronic circuit will be reduced. The cost of the circuit will also be reduced. Now let us see how to implement multi-level circuits with the help of NAND gates. Okay, so multi-level circuit conversion rules. We have to follow these rules for implementing the multi-level circuits only by using the NAND gates. Convert all AND gates to NAND gate with AND invert symbols. The first step is we have to convert all the AND gates to NAND gates with AND invert symbols, and convert all OR gates to NAND with invert OR symbols. Check all bubbles in the diagram. For every bubble that is not compensated by another bubble, insert inverter. It is similar like eliminating the double inversions, or else we have to include one more inverter when we have only one bubble. Okay, so this is what the circuit, this is what an example. Okay, now what we have to do, first convert all AND gates to NAND gate with AND invert. So I have replaced all these AND gates with AND invert symbols and OR gates with invert OR symbols. Okay, now the next thing is we have to check out the bubbles. Okay, now in this bubble is compensated with this bubble, and here complement is compensated with bubble, and then this bubble is compensated with this, as well as this bubble is compensated with this. Therefore this is the circuit which is used, or which is going to resemble this particular circuit. Now take one more example here. This is what this circuit or equivalent circuit of this expression. Now we have to implement this circuit with the help of NAND gates. Okay, so initially replace all the AND gates with AND invert symbols. So AND invert symbols are replaced, and OR gates with invert OR symbols. Invert OR symbols are replaced. Now we have to compensate the bubbles. So this bubble is compensated for this, this is compensated for this, and here you have a bubble which gets a complement, and here you have a bubble which gets a non-complement. Why? Because here the original input is a complemented input. Now this bubble is compensated with a NOT gate. Okay, and this NOT gate we have to implement again with the help of a NAND gate. Okay, now converting NOR implementations. Okay, so we have to follow the same rules as we have followed for the NAND implementation, but the only thing is, okay, these NOR gates are replaced with inverted ANDs, and then NAND gates are replaced with AND invert. Okay, so